This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Bruya Bas Chananya, Meseches Peah, Perek Vav, Mishna Yud. Tvua shenidna l'shachas oila aluma, grain that was designated for shachas. So shachas is when they would cut the grain while it's still moist and soft, and they would use it to feed animals. So it's not being used to feed people, it's being used to feed animals. Oila aluma, or if it's being used to put together the bundles of grain, they would take some stalks of grain and use it to tie together the bundles. So again, it's not being used to feed people. And so too when it comes to binding the bundles of garlic, they would use the shoots of the garlic for that. And so too the small bundles of garlic or onions. So the way they would do it is they would first put together small bundles and then make them into bigger bundles. So in all of these cases, ein lahem shichacha, there's no shichacha. In the first cases, it's because it's not being used to feed people. And we learned earlier on, all the way at the beginning, that one of the conditions to be chayiv in peah, and the same applies by shichacha, is that it has to be used to feed people. And the second case, the reason is because we said that shichacha only applies if something was forgotten in the very last place before it's being removed from the field. And over here, it's not the very last place, because first they would make small bundles, and then they would put them together to make big bundles in the field. So if a person forgot it in the place of the small bundles, there's no shichacha there. The Mishnah continues, V'chol hatmunim ba'aretz, all the things that they grow in the ground, kigoin haluf, for example, luf, which is a type of onion, va'ashum, and the garlic, va'aptzalim, and onions. So over here we have an argument. Rabbi Yehuda says, the things that grow under the ground, ein lahem shichacha. There's no shichacha. If a person forgot some of these things in the field, there's no shichacha. The person could go back and take them. V'chachamim, and the chachamim say, yesh lahem shichacha. Also, these items have shichacha, and if a person forgot them in the field, they cannot go back and take them.